Hi there, it's Anna here, your ELA. I've just put together a really quick video to show you how to locate the discussion board for the group that you've been allocated to in this unit. I know when you first start there's a lot to take in and it can be a little bit confusing finding your way around. So what you need to do is when you log in and your dashboard comes up, it provides you with a screen like this. And it gives you a bit of an idea of what is coming up over the week, okay, and moving forward. So it's a really good way to plan it. What you need to do is to go into the courses section on the left-hand side and click on that, and then go into the unit that you are wanting to find your group in. So we'll go into the Introduction Management unit for this one. And this is the home page for the Introduction to Management unit, and it provides you with a menu on the left hand side with all the key information that you'll need for this unit. So it's good to have a look at the syllabus. The modules take you through the weekly learning materials, so that's where all your learning content will be. And then the discussions, these are just general discussions at the unit level. Okay, so you don't want to go into that page. You actually want to go into your group level, which I'll show you in a minute. And then here you have all the assignment tasks for this assignment, so it's worth checking out those as well. And you can access the e-text down here, which you will need to do the first time you come into the the first time you want to access your e-text. You need to click on this so that you can access it. So how do you get to your learning group discussion board from this page? Well, it's hidden over here down the bottom. So you're in learning group 8, or this student's in learning group 8 for this unit. So you click on here and it will take you to the learning group level, and this is the the main page for the learning group that you're in for this particular unit. And the most important page for that is to go to your discussion. So once you're at your discussion page, this is all of the different discussion boards and the forums related to this unit. So it's important that you check all of them out. If you've got messages that have been unread, they come down on this side of the screen. Okay, so you'll know that there's messages in there that you need to have a look at and click on those. And then if you click on them, it'll take you into the discussion board where you can have a look at what's happening. Okay, so the important thing is with this is to probably bookmark it once you've found it. I generally always just add it to my favorites and then put it up the top in my calendar, in my easy access bar, so that I can just click on it whenever I log in. So that's an easy way to do it. I hope this helps. If you need any more information, please reach out. Thanks.